chair for the Students' Leadership Selection of this year 2026. We have gathered to elect our future leaders. I would like to warmly welcome our respected judges, Sister Poonam, Sister Doreen, Sister Mary Fernandez, and Sister Anima. Please give them a big round of applause to our guests. The process is different. It is transparent, fair, and enjoyable. The selection will be conducted in 3 rounds. The first round is introduction round. Second round is question answers round. And round 3 is buzzer round or rapid response round. Okay, now we have few nominees, but I invite if anybody wish to put her name for the nomination. We have nominees for captains. From class 12A, we have Saraswati, Anushka Yadav, Sapna Meena, Harshita Verma. And from class 12B, Anshika Yadav, Unnati Kanochia, Yashika Shakya, Himani Yadav, Anjali Meena, Payal Meena, Mansi Shrivastava, Arbiya, and Sarita Messi. Clap for all the nominees. So the marks will be shown on the board. Only those who qualified in round 1 will move to round 2. Are you ready, contestants?
Yes.
All the best. Please move forward.
Respected principal, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Saraswati, student of class 12. I come from a very simple and loving family, where my parents have taught me to work on myself, to learn and grow. I chose art as my stream because I have a strong interest in sociology, civics, and computer. I want to learn skills, I want to improve my skills, and want to work where I want to be. I will become with these subjects.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and as well as my stream is PCM, and I will do my best and try to prove myself if I will be the captain. And I always want to be a multitasker, and I give my best to in every stream, if it's arts, if it's games, and many others. I always want to be a creative, and if I'm going to be like what I want to become in future, so it's like I want to become everything. I want to do part-time job, I want to be an engineer, I want to be in goods and arts, I want to be an artist, as well as I tried my best in school and to give it 100% in everything. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, I would like to say thank you. That I is as a leadership, I would like to say PCM. I love math. I love very much math because as a captain or in a leadership, I want my school in the highest position in everything, in games, in education, etc. The title of leadership is not just a title. It is an opportunity, it's a golden opportunity to prove yourself, that how you behave with others. In the end, I would like to say thank you to give me this opportunity. Thank you. Principal, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Himani Yadav, a student of class 12. I am from simple family, and my parents have always taught me to work on myself and keep improving every day. I am passionate about sports, especially basketball.
Morning to all of you present here. I am Anjali from class 12B. My stream is maths. But dear sister, forgive me this opportunity of becoming leader.
Sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Amna Sheikh from class 12, pursuing PCB biology stream. Though my favorite subject is math, but still I chose PCB. I have a keen interest in psychology as understanding people and their behavior helps in becoming a better person and a good leader.
For first round,
Shivani Yadav, please move to the participants shortlisted for the coming round, second round. Please clap for these 8 participants. And all others who have tried their level best, please clap for those who participated.
For round 2. The judges will ask various questions and answers. It is a question answers round and the participants will answer the question to the best of our capacity. Each you need, you will do for your growth. Question number 2. State one sentence about your school. Why it is different from other schools.
I think so, जो हमारे स्कूल में डिसिप्लिन है वो कहीं भी नहीं.
It's depend on how we are working. Like अगर मैं एक कैप्टन्स के ग्रुप में हूँ तो मैं सोचूंगी कि मैं उन्हें साथ में लीड करूँ, उन्हें साथ में लेके चलूँ और नॉट ओनली कि हम लोग स्कूल का डिसिप्लिन देखें और यूनिफॉर्म देखें, बट अपने ऊपर भी देखें कि हम कैसे आ रहे हैं, हम क्लास में कैसे बिहेवियर कर रहे हैं.
Well, Arun, if chosen as the captain and leader of a school, I would like to maintain discipline and keep peace in the school. Because Unnati Kanojia, 37, Himani Yadav, 37, Yasika Sakya, 32. Suppose a work is assigned to you to your house, such as preparation of a bulletin board. Where do you find yourself? In the center. Working hard, in front taking initiatives, and third one was not interested in drawing. Yes.
So, I am Yashika Satya from class 12B, as you know about it. So, if I get this assignment, कि बुलेटिन बोर्ड है, जैसे स्कूल में बुलेटिन बोर्ड है, तो उधर पे मेरा मतलब नाम या कोई पिक्चर वगैरह कहाँ है, तो मतलब मैं पूरा हार्ड वर्क उसमें लगा दूंगी, लेकिन अपना नाम नहीं लिखूंगी.
You performed very well. Result will be announced soon by our judges. Thank you. Kindly take your seats. The part.
Sister and my all dear friends. My name is Kamodya Verma from class 11. I am passionate science and in my free time I love to sing. Sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Khushi Kushwaha from class 11B and I choose my stream is science and math. Good morning, respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Anshika Raju from class 11. I have chosen PCM in class 11 because I have an interest of solving the math sums and physics numericals. I have a few hobbies like watching cricket and sometimes I play too like video games like a Minecraft. Thank you.
If chosen as a captain, what is your dream for your growth? Option A, to win the trophy. Option B, to provide opportunity to maximum students. Option D, option C, to enjoy, chill and celebrate. Let's begin.
जो बच्चा आगे बढ़ना चाहता है उसको और आगे बढ़ाए ना कि जो पहले से आगे हो. Thank you. I choose second option to provide opportunity to maximum students.
Topper. Anshika Rajput, please come forward.
For the winners, give a huge round of applause to our leaders. Class 12 and class 11, congratulations and all the very best for your future.
To all those who have helped me organize this event, हर बार Lord, the students who are able to speak loudly all their views and they are able to express themselves will be able to lead the house properly. So once again we wish all of them all the best for this. God bless.